What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a blown glove compartment light bulb in a 2008 Mazda 3. So we'll of course start by opening the glove compartment, and we'll need to remove this top piece of trim. The best way I found to do it is to pull in the middle like I'm doing now. Pull the right side to the left. And once the right side is released, pull the entire thing to the right. That end piece has that little clip, and you don't want to pull it and break it. After the trim is removed, you're going to have 3 Phillips head screws to remove. Once the 3 screws are removed, the glove compartment should just pull down. And there's the housing for your light. There's going to be one more Phillips head screw that's holding in the light housing, so you'll need to remove that. Now that that's removed, we can pull the housing up and access the light bulb. So all you have to do to remove the light bulb is grab it and pull it out. And the glove compartment light calls for a 161 light bulb. You can pick these bulbs up pretty much anywhere, Walmart or any automotive store. If you don't know what type of light bulb your car requires, you can look in your owner's manual, or you can do a quick Google search and it'll let you know. And now with the bulb replaced, we're ready to reinstall the light housing. Then you'll want to reinsert the Phillips head screw and tighten it back down. Then you're ready to put your glove compartment back in place. Once your glove compartment is sitting in place, then you can reinstall your 3 Phillips head screws and tighten it back down. So then it's time to add your top piece of trim back. You'll want to put the right side in first, slide it in, and then push down to snap it in place. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.